This is my dad, and he is going to make his homemade, from scratch, Southern cornbread. Let's do it.
I've already put 2 eggs in the bowl, which I will now mix real good. Then I'm going to pour approximately 3 tablespoons, maybe a little more, of oil. That should do it. That should do it. Okay? Stir that up just a little. Then I'm putting it in the cornmeal mix. White Lily Buttermilk with the green print.
Are there any things, any tips that would help if I wanted to make this cornbread at home?
Yes. Use a half a cup per person.
Okay, of
5 people, 5 half cups.
Of cornmeal.
Of cornmeal.
Well, how much flour, the rising flour, would you add to that?
For 5 people, I would put just a little more than 1/8 of a cup, of course.
Okay. So you just add a little just because you can, and it works out.
Well, it just helps the overall
consistency.
Yes, it
Perfect.
does. Then I pour milk until I get the consistency that I want. Very, very thin consistency. Not thick. If it's too thick, cornbread will be hard. Won't be good. So we mix the old-fashioned way.
Dad, you look like a pro.
Well, I've cooked enough of this cornbread that it's pretty simple. Okay, that's still a little too thick. The consistency is not thin enough, so I'll add a little more milk. Consistency is very, very important. Very important. If you can see, it's very, okay. Now that's ready to put in the pan. Now, the key is do not preheat the oven. I know there are many recipes and the majority of people say preheat the oven. I do not preheat the oven. Never. Okay, spray my pan with canola oil. Then I take a napkin, fold it over, and spread it out. Do the sides, very good.
So that pan is bright and shiny with oil.
Okay, so I pour it in. You might think it's too thin, but it'll come out very pretty and very good. Make sure your oven is 450. Now, I usually set the timer for 30 minutes, but now I don't let it cook that long, but that gives me something to go by as to how often I need to check it. So I set the timer on 30 minutes, put it in the oven, and that's how you do it. And in just a little while, we'll show you how it looks after it's cooked.
That sounds great. I'm looking forward to trying your cornbread, Dad.
You'll love it.
Oh, yay!
It does.
All right, well, we'll come back in just a little bit and see how your cornbread's doing.
What I'm going to do now, it's been in the oven for about almost 25 minutes. I'm going to pull it out and check it to see if the top is a little bit firm. The top's firm. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the oven off. I'm going to put this back in the oven, cut the oven off, and put it on broil on high. Now, after you do this, you must stand by and watch it. You can't go off and have a telephone conversation. In fact, you better not run to the bathroom. But stay right here and watch it because it will brown in a hurry. And if you catch it just right, it'll be beautiful. But if not, it will burn. So stay close by while it's browning. It'll take 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 4. I believe you're in for a treat.
I'm looking forward to it. If you want to know more information about my parents, I do have a couple videos that I will leave down below that you can click on and hear them tell stories about their marriage and about me growing up. And so feel free to check those videos out as well.
Oh, by the way, she's still growing up.
What is it that you always refer to me as?
My little lamb.
When Daddy calls me on the phone, he'll say, "Is this my little lamb?" And I always say, "Is this my shepherd?"
It's very close, very close. Another minute maybe. Okay? I've taken it out of the oven. It's ready. I'm going to turn it upside down in this plate. And then...
Ooh, that is beautiful.
Now what I'm going to do is cut it. I don't wait till I get it to the table to cut it. I go ahead and cut it as soon as I take it up.
I'm ready for a taste test. You did it good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Yum. Bite. It's hot. Oh, that's so good. Thank you, Dad. My dear sweet shepherd, thank you for making this video with me. And thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend. See you on the next video. God bless. Bye.